welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Tandeka. So yeah, today is a very special day for me. I'm going to be doing a self-care evening, a very much needed self-care evening. So yeah, I just got back from the mall, hence I am all dressed up. And yeah, so it's about 6 right now, so I thinking it's like the perfect time to start an evening self-care, an evening of self-care. So yeah, I have a lot planned for today. Nothing fancy, nothing like glamorous, bougie, ratchet, all of that. Just like simple things that I normally don't do for myself. I'm gonna be doing today. So yeah, and I want you guys to enjoy this video. I want you guys to watch this video in full and get some tips on how you can plan your own evening of self-care. Not evening, doesn't have to be evening. Yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. Smash a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started with the self-care routine, it's not a routine, with the evening of self-care. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is change out of this, what I'm wearing right now. I'm going to wear a onesie because I want to get comfortable. I want to get comfortable. Oh my gosh, a onesie is not I'm gonna tell you the truth for me, because I slept in this yesterday. My mom bought me this yesterday and I slept in it, and I was so excited, but I really felt like it was so uncomfortable. It was really uncomfortable. Like, I really did not enjoy sleeping in it. So I feel like it will be something that I am just gonna wear as like winter uniform, like around when I'm in the house. So I'm just gonna wear it now, and then I'm gonna take it off when I go to sleep and wear normal pajamas. So yeah, I'm just gonna put on this cute onesie, and then we can get started with the other things. So this is the onesie, you guys. This is the onesie that my mom got me. I love it so much. It's so cute. I legit, I can't with my mom. It's just that it's a bit big. So what I do is this. I put it up here, and then I kind of like tuck it in as if it were like a 2-piece. But I don't mind it because I'm inside, so like. There's something that I wanted to show you guys. I bought a candle. This is pink champagne. It's a fragrance candle. I got it at Sheet Street and it was 30 rand. Does it smell amazingness? Not yet, but I'm thinking like once I light it, then it's gonna emit the smell. And then this is one of my old candle holders. This is like just a normal candle. Don't know what that is. I put coffee in here, like you can't see that, but it smells amazingness. Like, so these are the 2 candles that I'm going to light up today, just to set the mood, to get the place smelling amazing. It already smells like coffee. Oh gosh. So yeah. I like the sound of that. So right now it's time to put on a little bit of music. Obviously, you guys can't listen to the same music that I am listening to because of copyright issues. But yeah, I'm just gonna right now. I'm gonna listen to Elaine. You guys know Elaine, right? I'm gonna listen to the Elements EP. It has 7 tracks, and we can get grooving. I still want you. I'm feeling high. High. I'm gonna make some brown rice, spinach and chicken. Like, those are just my 3 favorite things combined. The only thing that's gonna bother me is the washing of the spinach, but I'm not gonna let that get to me. So let us get cracking. I'm going to fast forward through it because this is not a cooking video. So
it's so special. What feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh. You're mine for sure.
it raises forth, yeah. I washed my face with this, and then I'm gonna steam my face for 10 minutes, and then I am going to do a face mask. I haven't done a face mask in forever, and I am sipping on some juice. Facial mask. This is what I am going to about doing today. And then while I'm doing the facial mask, I'm going to do a foot soak. I have been just like neglecting my feet, so I bought this Dr. Soul Advanced Foot Care. This is the foot soak. So I'm gonna soak my feet, and then I'm going to just put on this foot cream. So yeah, so excited. Those are the main things that I'm doing. And then I'm gonna do a lip scrub. So I'm gonna combine some sugar with honey. So let us get to the steaming of the face. I'm gonna put this over me, and then I'm gonna do this for 10 minutes. So yeah, it was a good steam.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young.
Guys, I'm not gonna eat this. I just might. Oh gosh.
The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
I just washed my face mask off. Oh my gosh, my skin feels so smooth. It feels like, you know, when you feel like you're healing, like, I don't know, but that's just how my skin feels. And my lips are so sweet from the from this the scrub. I'm toning my face, and then I'm gonna eat. Remember, we cooked. Yeah, and then I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna watch a movie. I don't have any new movies, so I'm just gonna watch like one of my favorites, probably comedy. Remember, I cooked, so this is what I made: sour cream spinach, with chicken, brown rice. I don't eat anything without mayonnaise on top. So that was the self-care evening. It is now, let me tell you what time is it. It is now 5 to 11. So I'm gonna have my supper, drink my juice, and then I also got some snacks for later while I am busy watching a movie. My favorite thing, okay, you guys, you probably don't know this about me, but I am a cookie monster. I love cookies like nobody's business. So, but I also love chocolate, but I don't love chocolate as much, but I wanted to eat chocolate today. And you know, being the price savvy queen that I am, I had biscuits in my hand, cookies in my hand, and then I was looking at chocolate, and then I was like, but can I buy something that is a combination of the two? And cookies and cream chocolate. This is the Lindt Hello Nice to Sweet You. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to taste this. I've never actually had it before. And then I'm gonna eat some Simber chips. The creamy cheese are my favorite. I'm gonna watch a movie, I'm gonna eat, and you know, we're gonna have a sweet ass evening. And the candle that did not disappoint, honestly. It's burning so nicely. Like, it does have a scent to it, and it was filling the room earlier, but then I cooked and then the food was like everywhere. But I think it's time for me and my candle to love and leave you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you are going to, you know, you took something from this video, you enjoyed it, it was nice to watch. Comment down below what you thought of this video. And from me and my candle and my food and my laptop and my happy heart, we will see you again next week. Bye.